Allez!
Bravo!
Bravo!
Quelle sortie en mer! Désolé, désolé. La trinquette, elle tient quoi?
Look at all the hotels. There is a nice kite spot. For the guys it's perfect, they can go upwind, but for us it would be maybe a struggle. So we made it to the kitesurf spot. Look at this, the waves. Good onshore wind. These guys gonna kick it off. Are you excited, Jeremy? You gonna make some jumps?
Yeah, but I brought my 12 meter and Louis was like, well, we're gonna change it. We're gonna give it to each other, you know. Like, well, I kind of brought it for myself.
Such a beautiful spot, honestly. Most beautiful spot I've seen in Aruba so far. Yeah, it's very pretty. This feels like one of the only untouched regions of the island. It's like no hotels, it's just pure nature. Getting ready. And this is what happens on the other side. There's not one day passing by where there is not a problem on the boat. On our boat, we have two toilets, and one of them has a holding tank, and this is the one that got stuck because maybe of putting too much toilet paper. Anyways, so it wouldn't drain anymore, and the only way to fix it is by going in the water and unplugging it, and this is what you see happening on the video right now. The gray holding tank is full, right? Black holding tank. So what exactly is Enzo trying to do, Jeremy? Unblock it, yeah. And everybody is waiting to see what's gonna happen. Go Enzo. Allez Enzo. La merde est arrivée. Bien joué, Jérémy! You did it again! Ouais. Closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. So we were just ready to leave, and the cooling system of the engine didn't start. So Jeremy is
Vas-y, allume le moteur.
trying to fix it.
Enzo? Ouais. Allume le moteur.
Another problem. Again.
There was a problem.
With the engine.
With the engine. Engine.
Non, engine. Trop bien, Vivi. Tu gères l'anglais. We were about to leave the anchorage to go back to Orange South, and when we started the engine, there was no water coming out of the exhaust, and that indicated that the engine wasn't being cooled down by seawater. The engine cannot function like this, so after a quick inspection, we realized that there was a lot of air in the strainer, and the system only needed to be primed in order to function again normally. And it did. Luckily, after 10 minutes, we could leave, and yeah, problem solved. And it works again. Adios, Petrolville. The dystopian movie scene you are seeing right now in the background is the oil refinery in Aruba. It is one of the first things you will notice when you arrive by boat. It was once one of the largest refineries in the world, but it unfortunately has been standing abandoned for the last few years, and nothing is really happening there at this point. Its peak was in the mid 20th century, and then they closed the Aruba's oil refinery due to economic challenges and changing market conditions. So through the years, it has gone through several closures and reopenings. But in 2020, Aruba ended the plans to reopen the refinery in the near future. So right now it's just abandoned and standing there. And this was our view for the last few days. Best speed we made so far. Les courses d'aujourd'hui. On va les ramener en annexe au bateau. We just got back from our last food shopping before we leave to Samblas Islands in Panama. And yeah, we quite bought a lot since we know it's gonna be remote over there and we don't know if we're gonna find a lot of food. Maybe some people will pass by with fruit and veg now and then. But yeah, we spent again some money. And now we're on the boat and trying to organize everything with four, because there were two people who also stayed on the boat, and this is kind of how it goes. So we're letting all the fresh stuff dry, and they're condensating a lot. Everything is refrigerated here. And then I'm currently taking off the paper around. So the reason why we take off the paper around the cans is to get rid of our waste, but also to avoid props of soaking paper that get some humidity now and then in the storage space. And writing down the names of what's exactly inside. And then Virginie is gonna organize it. Jérémy, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
La râpe du fromage. Avec la râpe à 5 €.
Super! Ça, on a là aussi de fromage pour la traversée.
Ça, c'est un morceau d'éponge.
Yummy!
S'il n'y a pas cette sauce-là,
Il n'y a pas assez de sauce.
s'il n'y a pas assez de sauce-là, moi je peux plus rien faire. Moi je peux me galérer.
Mais il n'y a pas assez de riz.
Alors je vais vous dire le truc, c'est que les quantités je pense augmentent. Hein, parce que j'ai fait 3 hein, cuillères de riz. Hein.
C'est 4 maintenant. C'est 4 maintenant.
Il y a 600 grammes d'haricots rouges en plus dans la sauce. Hein.
Ah,
On
voilà.
va faire la sauce au son, c'est un potage. Hein. Mais le riz dedans, enfin.
It's been officially 1 week we've stayed in the Aruba, and I think now it's gonna be pretty soon until we leave to Panama. The weather hasn't really changed, so we're just gonna go for it. We have to go that way at some point, and I don't think at any point soon the weather is gonna be in our favor. It's gonna take about 4 or 5 days to arrive there. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more sailing adventures of Sails with Mana. Ciao, bye!